Hey friends, if you wish to enable all recording devices, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Search for sound settings in the Windows search bar and open sound settings. Scroll down to more sound settings. Okay, go to the recording tab. Right click in the open space and make sure that show disabled devices is checked. If it's unchecked, you might not be able to check all of them. Now I have multiple devices here. One is a headset, one is the microphone, and one is this one microphone, the condenser one. So all you need to do is, first of all, you need to make sure that all of these are connected. For example, I have just
Plugged into Nirvana.
powered
Device is ready to pair.
I just powered on the Bluetooth headset.
You're now connected to Boatstone.
Now it has connected automatically. Okay, and this is a recording device. It has a recorder and it is showing in green. The second one is also what do we say, a microphone that is connected, and third one is also enabled. I can connect it. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.